Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to meal prep for back to school. This video will take you through the ultimate guide to help ease the overwhelming back to school season by showing you how to meal prep like a pro. So stick around for the best guide. First, ensure you have a menu plan. One of the key tips in meal prepping for back to school is having a plan. Creating a weekly menu plan for your kids' meals will not only make your work easier, but it will also help create structure. You could use templates and search for recipe ideas using platforms such as Pinterest or Better. You could get your kids involved in the planning process, which is always a win-win. This step will also make grocery shopping easier since you will create a list of items based on your weekly meal needs. Organize breakfast the night before. You don't necessarily have to prepare breakfast the night before, but you could set it up. For example, you could have your cereal box and eating essentials ready on the counter, or make overnight oats and place them in the fridge. This way, you ease your morning stress levels and time management. Store your go-to breakfast in the freezer. Another way to meal prep for back to school is to freeze your breakfast staples. Not only does this save time, but it also simplifies your work in the morning. For example, you can purchase or bake waffles or muffins in advance and store them in the freezer, then only heat them for breakfast. You can also boil eggs before bed and store them in the freezer. Use the batch cooking method. Batch cooking involves preparing large quantities of food at once and storing individual portions to reheat later. It's best to do this once a week during your less busy days. Foods like meat, chicken, rice, beans, and fried vegetables can be cooked in large batches and stored in smaller portions, so you will only have to reheat them whenever necessary, which is efficient and organized. Prepare and set up the ingredients beforehand. Preparing ingredients ready to go streamlines the meal prep process as it reduces the time spent preparing food each day. For example, fruits and veggies can be peeled, diced, chopped in advance, and properly stored for use during the week. Make use of your pressure cooker. Another approach to back-to-school meal prep involves using your pressure cooker. Let's face it, sometimes life gets in the way and we don't have the time and energy to prepare our meals. That's where the pressure cooker comes in handy. You only have to place your food with the necessary spices and seasonings and let it cook. Use a high-quality storage container. Meal prepping involves storing foods in containers. Therefore, it is vital to ensure your containers are high-quality, microwavable, spill-proof, and easily stackable for proper storage in the fridge. And there you have it. Meal prepping during the school season can get extremely exhausting and stressful, especially during busy school days. I hope this guide makes the process easier for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment down below, and share it. Till next time.